Hello, lovelies. All right, so it's been a hot minute. I received this package on December 23rd, and basically, this was the first chance I had to film. So, yes, it's New Year's Eve now. It's entirely my bad this video is this late. And I know that if you're not a patron, you're going to see it even later. But it is here now. This should be the December wrap-up box. I took a really quick glance inside just to make sure I wasn't accidentally giving you guys my discount codes or anything. Sorry, I love you guys, but I do want my discount codes. I didn't see a little card right at the top to tell me what's going on with this box, so I'm pretty sure that makes it the December blowout, all the extra stuff box. So without further ado, let's find out what I got. Okay. So we have, oh, right, they were talking about these. They were going to be like little maze things. So you can like make the little maze thing and put like little metal balls in them. I don't know, like I played with those when I was a kid. So like those are fun. And this one's a heart and this one's a house? Mansion? I don't know. I honestly don't know. And then glitter. Ooh, that brown is really neat. By the way, these do not look very full. Like, that's turning it sideways. It looks like it's less than half full. I don't know if that's the shape of the container or what, but there's not as much glitter in there as there could be. Oh, here we go. So little balls for the molds. And aha! A list of everything I should have. That's helpful. Yep. Okay. Contest. Okay. 2 random molds. Fairy glitter. Bubba Pearl's jelly inclusions. Okay, I'm going to be honest. I sort of love popping boba, so this is probably going to happen in a project. And even better, I've gotten back into my ball jointed dolls, so this might happen in a project that's sized for dolls. Let's see here. Mermaid sequins inclusion. Okay. Not seeing anything really mermaidy in the shapes. Bunny heads. I mean, honestly, this looks like it was just like all the leftover glitter and sequins that a company had. They threw it all in one bag, and that is not a bad thing, but I'm not getting mermaid from this. And let's see here. More stuff. Glow-in-the-dark rhinestones. That's exciting. Those have some interesting, like, lines on them, too. Like, there's almost a shell pattern on them. Polymer clay happy mix. That's this. So that's definitely for throwing into your shaker charms if you're into it, or I don't know, like there's a whole lot of pride flag in there, so that's going to get used somehow. Candy sprinkles toppings. And then let's see, according to this, the steel balls, which I already found. UV resin for silicone molds. UV resin for silicone molds. 3-1 UV resin. Okay, so I mean, this is probably going to get used in dice making, because I've liked what they've done before. This one does say allow 24 hours curing. It's nice. They put the directions right there in the box, so I've actually got it all together. Resin has longer curing time, but less bubbles. So, I mean, I'm down for that, especially with the dice making. Random pigment, Sophie and Toffee crystal pigment dye, random 2 colors. So I got yellow and sapphire. And I'm just going to say right now, neither one is pink. I'm happy. And that's it. Oh, it looks like the January theme is going to be vending machines. And I am not a premium box subscriber, as you guys all know, but this is what I would have also gotten in the premium box. So another D20 mold and some other stuff that's kind of neat looking. I don't know, that would have been worth getting, but whatever. And that's it. Like I said, I'm starting to look at my ball jointed dolls again, so I'll probably be doing some crafting for them. I don't know if I'm going to do things that I can film for tutorials or not, but I also still haven't fixed my video card problem on my computer to let me actually properly edit. If anybody wants to recommend a new video card for a computer, that would actually be really appreciated, because my usual tech person moved out of the state, so I can't rely on them for help anymore. And I think that's about it. Happy New Year. Good luck with your resolutions if you're making any this year. I've got some things in mind. I haven't quite made up my mind, but I've got another 6 hours left before I have to decide. And yeah, subscribe if you found me amusing. I've got a Patreon, I've got a Facebook, should all be linked in the comments down below. I've got an Etsy shop too, and I'll see all you lovelies on the internet.